What's up guys? My name is Phil. Welcome to the Detailing Workshop. Now I want to talk to you guys about picking out all the flaws on your customer's vehicle. Now what I mean by that is going through and inspecting, perhaps with the camera or with the customer there, and pointing out all of the flaws on the vehicle. Why is that good to do? It's not picking on, say, a body shop or a previous detailer or the customer themselves or whoever touched the vehicle before you. It's simply to inform the customer and let them know what is going on with their vehicle. So as you see in our videos on Miranda Detailing, we're actually doing a full video on this Corvette Z06. We're doing a paint enhancement on it, and it has a lot of issues on the paint. Some weird etching, some painted panels that have some defects on them, and we're documenting that not only for the videos on here, but also for the customer. We're going to let the customer know what is going on with their vehicle, what things we can fix and what things we cannot fix. It's good to document all that stuff. For one thing, to at least keep yourself safe so it doesn't come back on you. You can document these things before you touch them, or at least show the defects and then show how you can at least fix them or improve them. That's going to do a lot for your customer. It's going to build trust, and again, it's not going to come back on you. You're trying to show what you can do as a detailer. If you can, just take out your phone, go through the vehicle, and point out all of the flaws. Again, it's not just nitpicking, it's being meticulous and showing what you can or cannot do on a vehicle. It's really important to do that. For instance, we're working on this Z06, like I just said, and there's a lot of portions of the vehicle that have repainted panels. We have some panels that have solvent pop. We have some other weird etching that will not remove. We thought it was water spots, but water spot chemical wouldn't touch it, and even compounding it wouldn't touch it. So it could be signs of paint failure, or it's just etching that will not come out unless you wet sand it. Now with Corvettes, if you are familiar with them, it's pretty much all fiberglass. I can't measure this paint unless I go and buy a $2,000 posi tester that can measure plastic and fiberglass and all of that stuff, but really I have no need for that. I'm not going to be digging that deep. I'm simply going to inform the customer, here are the defects, here's what we can do, here's what we cannot do, and then they can decide what they want to do from there. Whether they want to get it repainted, which would probably be the best option instead of trying to wet sand it and compound it and thin the paint. That wouldn't be really prudent, that wouldn't be good to do. You want as much paint and clear coat on there as possible. So it might be more advantageous to just have it repainted, that way it's done. However, now you run into problems with perhaps a body shop that doesn't know what they're doing. And in this case, unfortunately, we do have the back hatch here. We have the top portion of this, top portions of the roof, and some portions of the fender that were repainted, and it left those little tiny pinholes called solvent pop. Nothing we can do about that. And we don't know how thin or thick the paint is there. So those are the types of things that you want to at least document or let the customer know that you can't do anything about this. And sometimes the customer has no idea because they just got the vehicle and they have no idea that it was ever repainted. To them it looked great, but upon further inspection, you as the detailer should go through it surgically with your lights and pick out all those flaws and at least inform the customer. That way they know what's going on with the vehicle. So detailing is more than just cleaning and polishing and protecting. It's also inspecting and informing the customer of what is going on with their vehicle. I think that's just good to do. It's good customer service. It's good practice. And again, it builds trust with your customer. So I hope that information helps you. And if it does, or if you have any other questions or comments, let me know down below. Go check out this full video. When I do have it, I'll put it up in the card or link it down below, or just head over to Miranda Detailing and subscribe there. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, the Detailing Workshop, and I will try to post as much as I can answering your detailing questions. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.